Hey, welcome to Hammer Wrench Renovation. It's time to stain the bed, and I'm using old motor oil. And I got a roller, a couple brushes here, and the board, this is unstained, and this is after it was stained. And I love that color. So let's get these sides pulled off, blow any debris off of this thing, and get started. Right, these saddle brackets here should be a little loose. Maybe enough for me to get this thing pried up. Just hope they didn't twist from getting very dried out. All right, one down. All right. Some of this oil in here. Nice. was about a half a quart for the first pour. Okay, now it's still wet, but look at that difference. Looks so much better. And I've only used a quart. Well, I'm gonna get set up to do the other side and put it on time lapse. We'll see how that turns out. All right, here is the passenger side, all stained up. See a little difference. Now it's drying on this side. I'm gonna let it stand for a while, soak it up. You can see where the steaks went through, pockets there. Looks like it didn't bleach it out as much. I may have to apply a little more. Here I got the steaks painted, but not the rail. I went ahead and did this whole face. I think that's gonna look good. All right, I'm gonna give it time to dry. All right, this is about an hour of dry time. It's not really hot out today, so it's probably soaking in a little slower. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna recoat it before putting the side rails on and get those coated. Just finished the second coat. You can see it's a little more, still a little wet there, but it's soaking it up really good. I'm gonna put these side rails on. All right, that one is stained and on, and I have driven it in. Let's get this over. All right, it's all back together. It's all golden or brown, golden brown. Of course, it's going to have a few days to soak it up, and that's fine. And that is how much we used. There's 2.5 quarts left out of 5. And all I had to do was buy the little rollers and the little brush. So, this is a quick little project. Doesn't cost much money, and took about, I guess total, an hour to roll everything, both coats, and do these rails here. I did leave some time to dry, so I'm not counting that, but total work time about an hour. So it's going to look so much, it looks so much better. It's going to last a long time, and I like it. And I think I've done about all I can do with this wood flatbed as far as building it, staining it, outfitting it. So thank you guys for watching. I'm sure there will be more content on the bullnose coming up, but this was a fun thing to do, especially when it's not 100 degrees like it was yesterday. See you later.